Hey, good morning. Lori here, quick video. I want this to become one of your very, very best friends, and I'll show you why. This is just a little glue stick. You can pick these up at the dollar store at anywhere you want. It doesn't have to be a name brand. Carry it in your purse, your wallet, your bag, wherever in your car. Here's why. I started this years ago. Here's what I'm about finished with. And you just throw this in your car, again in your purse, in your bag. No matter where you are, no matter what you do, you just grab it, glue it on your paper, and you go. It takes literally 1 minute. A card, a drawing somebody made. Oops, you got a bunch of pictures? You put that in here real quick. Oh, you got some receipts that you need to remember, you want to remember? Throw a little glue on here, glue it up, and then you have this. Or you got a thank you note from somebody, you donated blood, you need to remember that. Oh, some notes, some printouts, some thoughts, lists, memories, whatever it is. Oh, I have a Band-Aid for something special. I don't remember what it is. If I go in and read the notes, I will. Anyway, and you just keep this with you everywhere you go, and you just glue, glue, glue. It literally takes 2 seconds. This will help you with filing. This will help you with all the little trash around your house and around your place that you're like, what do I do with? It's right here, all glued in here. Notes, cards, dated, so you know exactly, whoops, gotta glue that one in, maybe a little better. It's all dated, so you know exactly when they happened, exactly what it is, and all it happened was because of this and 2 seconds of your time. And now you have a year's worth or 6 months worth of your whole life. You can go back and review, refresh. You put it on the shelf, you forget about it, and it's right there. You can go straight to the date and see exactly everything that you glued in there for your information and your enjoyment. Have a great day.